Meladolls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. As you can see, we have another try on haul, what we've all literally been waiting for. It is another Shein try on haul. I did a Shein try on haul already. I just thought I'd do another one because you guys love the hell out of that try on haul, okay? Now, I did purchase these clothes like a month ago and only now it's arrived. I'm gonna let it pass, okay? I'm gonna let it pass because of what's going on, okay? That's the only reason why, but it's finally here and now we can get into the good stuff. But before we start, how you guys liking this hair? Okay, tell me how you liking it. I do have a video of me installing this hair. I had it in the middle part though. It will be in the description box below, so make sure you guys go check that out, period. Without further ado, not gonna talk too much. Let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so this is the first item. This is the first dress. This dress is a little too big for me at the top. It has like extra fabric. I did get a 1X in this dress. I'm usually an extra large at the top, so it's like a kind of like loose hair, and I wish it was tighter. And then the dress has this strap that you tie up here. Now the only thing is I really don't like this strap because I do feel like it's really long, but I think that's the style. But this dress is cute though. This is how the back looks. Super cute. Yeah, it's really not no problem with this dress. It's just that this right here is a little too big for me, and the straps are a little too long for my liking, but it's really cute though, like, period. No, just no. This is the second dress and I am really upset about this one. This is not fit. As you guys can see, this right here is way too tight. This dress is not supposed to fit like this. It's supposed to be like loose fitting. Like, it's just, I'll insert a picture next to me so you guys can see. It's supposed to be just like completely loose, this whole area, and it is fitting tight on me. And no, I do not think I should have sized up because this part right here is too big. I have to hold it like this so you know I'm not flashing you guys. And yeah, this is too big. This part right here is too big. It's completely exposing me, and this part right here is too tight. So this is a complete lost, like, and it's so sad. I really like this. I think this would have been cute if it could just fit me. Like, this is too, you guys can clearly see this is really too tight. It's just too tight all around. And this is the back. This is really, really a cute fit. Ooh, and I just love like this part right here. I love how it snatches me in back there. Like, that is cute. I cannot wear this nowhere. Like, my titties gonna be all out, and this part honestly just doesn't look right. And I'm thinking maybe I can just get a picture with this. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. This is literally a no for me, and I'm very sad about it. So this is the next item. Let me come up closer so you guys can see me. And this is the back. This is cute. It's simple, you know. It's really not much to say. It fits well. I honestly can't tell you why I picked this item out. Like, I really can't tell you. Like, because honestly, this is something I won't normally wear. Like, this must have been on sale or something. I feel like, you guys know one of the belts, the big, you know, black belts that come in like this, or the corsets. You guys know what I'm talking about, the corsets, and then it have the straps up here. I think this would be really cute with that, because this is really giving me like boring vibes. Like, it's boring to me. Okay, I need something more. So I think one of those cute corsets would look really nice with this dress, like the black one. You guys know what I'm talking about. And I think that is the end for the dresses. I think now I'm gonna try on maybe a set for you guys. But I think this is the last dress I got. It's cute. I just feel like it needs something extra. You know what I'm saying? Something a little extra. Come on now. Guys, I like this. I love this. This gotta be my favorite one so far. Like, I'm in love. Like, honestly, this is my favorite. It is a two-piece outfit, and the top is really stretchy. As a matter of fact, like, it's super stretchy. And this skirt is as well. And this is the back. This is the back. This is really cute. Like, if you know me, you know, like, I'm in love with two pieces. Like, two-piece sets always look like really good on me. Like, really good on me. That's like my favorite thing to wear. And it's just so crazy to me, because I knew, like, when I saw this set on Shein, I knew I had to have it. Like, this is really cute. Really cute. Period. Okay, so this is the next item I want to show you guys. But before I show you the item, I want to show you the case it came in. Like, I just think this is so professional, so cute, and it is really good quality. And it's just something to come in really handy to put your sunglasses in. Shein has, one thing I noticed about Shein, they have a lot of cute sunglasses. And this is the ones I got, like, period. Okay? Period. Oh yeah. This put you in bad bitch mode. Yeah, you guys, these shades were super duper affordable. I believe they were like only like $6 or something like that. Anyway, all the links will be down below, so you guys don't even gotta worry about that. So this is them up close. This is like super cute. Okay guys, so I decided that I was gonna get a pair of jeans because I really need jeans, and it's hard to find good jeans, especially for my body type. But before I try these on, I just want to show you guys the bottom, how the bottoms are, because I don't think I'll be able to show you guys the bottom while I'm trying it on. And this is mainly why I bought it. This is so cute. Like, this little cutout right here, it has at the bottom of the pants and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. Okay, yes bitch, this is super cute. This is, let me go back. This is super cute. I'm so sorry I can't show you guys the full thing. I'm so sorry about that. Oh, I'm out of breath, baby, because I just had to, you know, jump in these jeans, baby. But anyway, I'm gonna put a picture to the side or whatever, so you guys can see like the whole thing, and you guys can see the design. Like, the way my camera situation is set up, I'm limited, but just know I'm really out of breath. But just know these are super stretchy, super comfortable, and just like, baby, I mean, do you see this? This is the side. This is the back. Let me come closer so you guys can see. Really, excuse my underwear. If you see my underwear, don't come for me. So yeah, this is the back. I do feel like these jeans kind of do make my butt look smaller though. Like, it honestly was like a great buy. And I only got one pair of jeans because with jeans, you know, it's kind of tricky. You don't know how it's really gonna fit and shit like that. Oh, guys, also, I don't know if I said it before, but these jeans are in a 2X on their site, and their 2X is size 16. Yeah, this is the only one that I got in a 2X. All the items that I've showed you are in a 1X. So this is the only one. This is super cute. Definitely, if you were going to shop on Shein for anything, I would definitely say go pick up a pair of jeans, sis. This is cute. This is bomb. This is bomb, period. Okay, guys, so this is the last item. Shein has some really nice lingerie, so I thought I would try it. Now, I should have sized up in the bottoms. The bottoms are too small for me. The bottoms are entirely too small for me. The top is beautiful and it is see-through. That's why I have my hands over. And now I don't really like the back of this top just because it is exposing my whole back. And for someone like me, I do have a ton of back fat. So I would say if you have a nice back, or if you just like don't really care about your rolls, like period, it's your, you know, you can get this too. But I'm just like really insecure about my rolls and shit like that. Like it just, I don't think this lingerie really complements it. But yeah, I definitely should have sized up in this one. This is a 1X and the bottoms are too small, but sadly for me, Shein does not sell their pieces separate. So that is a bad thing because not go up in the top area because this is already big for me. It's already perfect. If I go up, I actually have to tighten this shit in the back. If I go up any more, this is not going to work for me. So yeah, I'm not gonna turn around for you guys so you guys can just see the front, and that's it. So guys, that is the end of the try on haul. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and so much for all your support. Guys, we are at 780 subscribers, and honestly that makes me want to cry. Like, ooh, I'm getting emotional, but I just never thought my channel would like take off like that. And I know that, you know, doesn't seem like a lot compared to other YouTubers, but it is a lot to me because I didn't think I would get past 100. Okay, at least not on my own. So I want to thank you guys so much. You guys comment down below which one was your favorite, which one I was rocking, your thoughts, and other places you want me to try. Also, you guys, make sure you follow me on Instagram at 5_melanin_beauty and 5_. Again, it will be on the screen and it will be down below in the description box. Yes, so I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.